Hey, what's up? Brent for Brentspeed. Thanks for watching Brentspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 25 awesome Raptor R that we installed the Whipple 3.8 liter supercharger on. Factory, this thing made 559 real horsepower. We added a couple hundred real horsepower to it. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us if today. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, 25 Raptor R. Here's what we got. Stock, made 559 of the tires. Doug, come down and take a look. We installed a 3.8 Whipple. Pretty sweet kit. You just take off the factory supercharger, install this. You get the 132 throttle body, use the injectors that came in the truck from the factory, the fuel system, comes with a new calibration. While we had this truck in, we also installed a set of Kooks long tube headers. Check out this dyno pull. All right, 559 in the tires is stout, stock, awesome truck. Dynojet SAE smoothing 5, Whipple 3.8, 93 octane, 786 raw horsepower, peaking at 7,500. Torque comes in 589, peaking at about 5,500. Awesome curve across the board. Torque's great the whole time. Killer truck. So, hey, like I said, from the factory, these things are awesome, but you can buy this 3.8 Whipple kit. It comes with a Whipple calibration. Just run premium fuel, install it, good to go. And Kooks long tube headers. Have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. We're in Indiana. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. Say what's it costs to get installed, or open that description. I have links to this kit. You can see what it costs. We can ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching.